So right here we have a vehicle. This is a large truck that has no mud guard. Now this might appear to be very simple, but it is not simple, because when the vehicle rotates, if you look here, there are stones in between the groove of the tires. And the truth is that the driver might not even notice when any of these pedals pick up. And this is a high-speed highway, and so this is one of the things that we are treating with. All the owners and operators of these large trucks with attached trailers, that they must ensure that mud guards are on it. Right? It is very important for safety of other road users, to include pedestrians and cyclists especially, right? We will be prosecuting for these offenses because we cannot afford to have it like this.